quadratic equation, there are three kinds of questions which are asked in the examination. Okay. The first type of question, I write it as T1. First type of question which is asked is to solve a quadratic equation using formula method. Using what? Formula method. Okay, so quadratic formula. Fine. Then second type of question which we are going to cover right now, that is nature of roots. Nature of roots. Right? And in next class, yeah, we'll continue with this. We are going to solve what? Word problems. We are going to solve word problems. Fine. So these are kind of questions. Now we solve quadratic equations by two methods. We solve quadratic equation by two methods. Right now, one is the so-called formula method which we have studied in 10th standard. Right now, and in 9th standard, 8th standard, we were solving this by splitting the middle terms, which is called factorization method. So they want formula method. Generally, this question is asked for 3 marks. So they will specify that they want this method. And if they don't specify, it is your choice. But you cannot always use your choice, because suppose if you have a question like this, x square minus 2x plus 1, this cannot be, middle term cannot be split. In this case, you don't have any choice but to use a formula. If I give you this question or question like this, so what you have only one option, that is the formula method. Because splitting your answer are irrational numbers in terms of root, right? And using, you will be in board examination, you will be provided with logarithmic table. Using that, you have to find out the value, right? Leaving your answer in radicand form, that is in root form, that is considered to be an incomplete answer, right? And in word problems, okay, now talking about this word problem, when you are solving word problem, say you are finding out the ages of Sita and Gita. So their ages will be what? Will be natural numbers. Sita's age can be 5 years, Gita's age can be 12 years. So definitely you are not going to get your answer in root side. The age cannot be. If you are finding speed, distance, you are doing something related to distance, speed and time. Also again you will be having the answer in a form of a natural number. Okay, so that time factorization method will be easy. And in word problems, for the other class I have completed word problem, so I was using factorization method there. But they will give you one question. Okay, one question you get for this, one question for this, and so from this chapter you can expect 3 questions. Is it clear? Today we are going to now study about, okay, today's class is about nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Now, first of all, what do we mean by nature of root? Yeah, what is root? Quadratic equations. Now, you solve a quadratic equation. You get x is equal to, let us say, 5 or x is equal to minus 2. So, these values of x, that is called what? Root of a quadratic equation. What is the other name? Other name is 5, and they are 2, so roots. And 5 or 2 are also called zeros of the, should I write E, S or S? Yeah. Potatoes, tomato, so zeros. Zeros are of a quadratic equation, or they are also known as solutions of a quadratic equation. So your teacher might use, so zero देखकर confuse नहीं होना है, zero का सिर्फ क्या zero? Here zero means solution. Here root means solution, right? So, what is the theory about roots? Now, we know quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Here, this value b square minus 4ac. Okay, we write this as discriminant or delta. Or other symbol is delta. Delta is equal, you can use any of this two symbols. Discriminant means what? Okay, we know, we have studied in history, discrimination between rich and poor, discrimination between class, discrimination between religion. So discrimination means what? This value will discriminate कि your roots, your solutions, okay, are they real and equal, or are they real and unequal, or they are in first place not a real number, not real at all. Okay, so when do we say कि they are real and equal? When your value of discriminant or delta, okay, when value of delta is equal to 0, we say कि roots are real and equal. When delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And when delta is less than 0, greater than 0 also means a positive number. So root के अंदर positive number मिला, well and good, right? So they will be real and equal. अगर negative number मिला root का, so this is not a real number. So this cannot be accepted as the solution. It cannot be accepted as the answer or a solution or a zero or your final answer, right? ये zero होगा, I think हम लोगों ने एक example किया था last class में. Delta is zero, तो कैसे? ये zero हो जाएगा तो क्या आएगा? दोनों का value same ही आता है, तो real and equal. Have we done any question related to this?
X square minus 10x.
चलो आज कुछ question करेंगे हम लोग regarding this. So let us start. Question number 1. Now you will see that in your board examination, regularly questions are related to this. ठीक है, तो इसको याद रखना है आप लोगों को. I think last class मैंने इसी point पर end किया. Okay. So we are doing in our question bank. This is question number what? 16.
16.
Okay, question number 16. In question number 16, there are 3 sub questions.
2.
Okay, I'll add one more. Okay, let us say 16 का A वाला 7x square minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. They are saying don't solve. Don't solve. Okay, like we solve x, x का value आ गया कुछ क्या? Let us say एक value आता है. Without getting the value of x, okay, tell about the nature. These are roots. Tell about the nature of this.
Discriminant.
Okay, हाँ तो discriminant ढूंढेंगे. Okay, delta का value. Okay, we will not solve it completely. So comparing, how do we solve? Comparing. We will compare a given equation with general form of equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, what can I say about a? Is it 7?
B is equal to
And is equal to what? Minus 9. And c is equal to 2. Okay. Now I will find out discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. B का value is 9 minus 9 square 4 into 7 into 2. 9 का square is 81 minus 8. 7 into 8 is 56. So what is the answer? 5. 25. 25. Okay. What can I say? Delta is what? Greater than 0.
Real and unequal.
Okay. So my comment, I will say that roots are what?
Real and unequal.
Roots are real and equal. What are roots? They are not asking us. Okay, they are asking us to comment, to tell what are the nature of the roots. So roots are real and
Unequal.
unequal. How do you know roots are real and
Greater
unequal?
than 0.
तो आपको ये वाला पार्ट जो है वो बायट करके रखना पड़ेगा. कौन सा वाला? ओके, कौन सा वाला? ये वाला. ये 3. ओके, ग्रेटर देन 0 ये वाला मिला तो रियल एंड अनइक्वल. इक्वल टू 0 मिला तो real and equal, and smaller than 0 मिला तो not. Fine. Any doubt? Any doubt? ठीक है ना? Don't solve completely. सिर्फ वो quadratic equation का एक part solve करना, which is called discriminant and which is denoted by symbol delta. इसी का B वाला part solve करेंगे हम लोग. B वाला. What is it? X square plus root 3x. X is not in the in the root sign. It is not included in the radicand sign. So there is a printing mistake. Like x will be outside. Root 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. We have to tell whether roots, what is the nature. We have to comment what is the nature of the root. So how do we solve? Comparing with
AX.
Okay, if you are writing a board examination, so steps are important. For entrance exam, it is not important. Okay, so ये जरा लिखो comparing with general form of equation. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to root 3, and c is equal
Minus
to minus
9.
9. We want nature of roots. So what I'll do? I'll find out value of discriminant delta b square minus 4ac. b is root 3. So plus ही था ना यहाँ पर minus तो नहीं था. A is 1 and C is minus 9. So this is 3 minus minus is plus. 9 into 4 is 36. Is equal to 39. So again I can say that delta is 39 is definitely greater than 0. Therefore my roots are real and unequal. Okay, I'll take one more question. That is, suppose I take this. कौन सा वाला क्वेश्चन ये सी वाला. ओके, x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 0, and I need to find out what nature of the roots. Comparing with the general form of equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is 1, value of b is minus 14, and value of c is 49. Now I am trying to get the value of discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. b का value is minus 14 का square minus 4 into 1 into 49. 14 का square is 196. Is it?
Yes.
And 49 into 4 is also 196. So this is equal to 0. Okay. Now I will say delta
Real and equal.
is equal to 0. Therefore roots are
Real and
real and equal. Fine. Any doubt?
No.
ठीक है. और एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं नेचर वाला, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा अलग कोई टाइप का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. ओके, आपके क्वेश्चन बैंक का क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन?
x square minus
x square
Minus
x
Plus 2 is equal to 0.
is equal to 0. Comparing with what? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to
Minus
minus 1, c equal to 2. Okay, now value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac
1.
minus 1 का square minus 4 into 1 and c. A B C का value bracket में लिखो. This is 1 minus 8. This is what minus 7. Can I say delta
No, they are
is
not
negative?
Yes.
Not
Right?
real.
Therefore,
Roots are not
Roots.
roots are not.
are not real. Okay, when roots are not real, so your answer, okay, you don't have solution. So you can write answer in form of an empty solution. Second part क्या था question का? If roots are real, then find the roots. लेकिन roots real नहीं है तो this is the end, right? So we have taken all three kinds of questions. Okay, बाकी first दो question लिया था उसमें roots was real and equal, then real and unequal, then C वाले में delta was 0, so roots are real and equal, और last वाले में not real. Okay, so these are kind of questions you will get. इसमें और भी कुछ टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, we will do that as well. अभी जरा इसको कॉपी करें. Okay, now see, this question was asked in board examination of 2020. This was MCQ question, right? Now what is the question? If 3 is root of, okay, root हो गया ना, 3 is root of which equation? X square minus px plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, then value of p is how much? Right? So far we were solving a quadratic equation whereby entire or complete quadratic equation was given. Now this one, this time in this question, value of p is missing. One value, coefficient of x is missing, and we have to find out that. Okay. For that, what they have done, given us additional information. They are saying
X का value दिया हुआ है।
3 is a root. That
Quadratic
means
इसमें
3 is root
Equal
means
to
x
0
is
to
equal to
positive.
3. So हम लोगों ने फैक्टर थ्योरम में किया था, वैसा कुछ करने वाले हैं लोग. Okay, x is equal to 3. So my given equation, okay, x square minus px plus 3 is equal to 0 will become what? X is equal to 3. So 3 का square minus p into 3 plus 3 equal to 0. What is this?
9
minus 3p
plus 3.
plus 3 is equal to 0. What I am doing is I am sending minus 3p on the right hand side. So it becomes positive,
12.
right? So 9 plus 3 is what?
12. 4.
Can I say that is p is equal to by cross multiplication? 3 comes here.
4.
Therefore p is equal to 4. And you are given 4 options. Option A is value of p is 4. B says 3. C option was 5 and D option was 2. So what is my correct answer?
4.
Answer is A, which is 4. Okay? So exam में ऐसा ये भी लिखना पड़ता है, ये भी. Okay? This was the answer. ठीक है? और हमारे ये जैसा ये हमारा ये क्वेश्चन है, हमारे क्वेश्चन बैंक में देखो एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा लंबा है इससे. एंड क्वेश्चन सेज दैट 17th वाला. Okay, the root of quadratic equation is 2. And what is my equation? 3x square
minus ax
minus ax
minus 4.
minus 4 is equal to. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? a का वैल्यू. दिख रहा है हमारे क्वेश्चन बैंक में से ही आया ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट a. और ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में हाउ मेनी रूट्स आर देयर? कितने रूट्स होंगे? 2. तो एक रूट तो 2 है. फाइंड दी अदर रूट. अभी वो 1 मार्क के लिए था तो सिर्फ p का वैल्यू पूछा था. ये 2 या 3 मार्क के लिए आएगा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट वैल्यू ऑफ a as well as other root. x का एक वैल्यू 2 है. So what will be other value of x? Right? So what I'll do is I'll substitute the value of x as 2. So 2 square minus a into 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2 square 2 का square लिखा है, लिखेगा नहीं कोई. 4 है. 4 into 3 12 minus 2a minus 4 is equal to 0. देखो कितना सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आया जो हमारे क्वेश्चन बैंक में. Okay, minus 2a goes other side becomes plus 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Dividing both sides by 2. So what can I say? That is
A is equal to
a is equal to 4. This is my first answer. Right? Dividing both sides by 2. 2 cancel. 2 into 2. Right? Now there is another part also whereby I have to find out the other root. Okay, कैसे करेंगे? 3x square minus ax. a का वैल्यू 4 है तो minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now you have two options. Either splitting the middle term or formula method. So we are more inclined towards splitting the middle term. हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे splitting the middle term जल्दी से और easily हो जाता है, right? तो split करते हैं middle term, okay? So minus 4 is middle term. We have to split it such that when you add you get minus 4, and on multiplication 3 and minus 4 is minus 12. On multiplication, when you multiply, you must get minus 4.
minus 6 and plus
So minus 6 and plus 2, minus 4, okay? So therefore 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. First two terms common is 3x. So x minus 2 common is plus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is common and 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2. ये तो पहले ही दिया था x equal to 2. So this is not our answer. अभी हमारा आंसर आ गया. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to minus 2. Dividing both sides by 3. Correct ना? 3 3 कर. Therefore other root is what? minus 2 by 3. छोटा नंबर नहीं मत लिखो ना. छोटा नंबर ऊपर और बड़ा नंबर नीचे. Leave as. You are not allowed to write bigger
Bigger
number in the
improper
numerator and to smaller number in the denominator. लेकिन छोटा number ऊपर है, बड़ा number नीचे है. Okay, so this is the other point. Any doubt?
No.
Okay, अभी 18 वाला करूँ. Now see question number 18. Okay, what is the question? कि kx square या क्या information दिया है? कि has equal roots. हाँ, roots are equal. Roots of equation are equal. ठीक है? And what is equation? तो k, capital K, x square
minus
minus 5x
plus k.
plus k is equal to 0. You have to find out value of k. You have to find out value of k. That's it. Okay, you have to find out value of k. कैसे करूँगा मैं इसको? तो compare करेंगे इसको. Correct ना?
हाँ.
Comparing with what?
General form.
With the general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c.
तो ये तो पता है ना डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 है.
Therefore, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 5, and c is also equal to k.
Okay.
Right? So roots are equal.
तो delta 0.
हाँ, roots are equal. ये बाहर करके रखना पड़ेगा. When roots are equal, value of
Delta is equal to
discriminant is
zero.
equal to
square
0.
minus 4 is equal to
Therefore,
0.
b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is my b minus 5 का square? Minus 4 into a is k and c is also k equal to 0. Minus 5 का square आएगा 25. Minus 4k square is equal to 0.
Actual.
4 minus 4k square को उधर लेकर जा सकते हैं, but what I'll do is 5 is perfect square, तो उसका square किया. 4 is also perfect square, तो square common लिया, and this becomes a square. This becomes a form a square minus b square. So what is formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b
Is equal to 0.
Therefore 5 plus 2k is equal to 0. Therefore 2k is equal to 5. Therefore k is equal to 5 by 2.
Minus.
नहीं, minus 5 by 2. Therefore k is equal to minus 2.5.
2.5.
डिवाइड करोगे तो आएगा minus 2.5. और there is one more possibility. 5 minus 2k is equal to 0. Therefore 5 is equal to 2k. Therefore 5 upon 2 is equal to 2k upon 2. Okay, that is k is equal to what? 2.5. Okay, so I write my final answer. So there are two possible values of k. That is plus or minus 2.5. So this is my answer. Okay, बड़ा नंबर ऊपर और छोटा नंबर नीचे अगर लिखोगे तो वो इनकम्प्लीट आंसर. ठीक है, इजी है ये. तो ये एक क्वेश्चन आएगा इस तरह, राइट. देन अगला क्वेश्चन बताओगे क्या है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज
19.
19.
इसमें भी डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 है.
जनरली ये आता है ना, उसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 आता है, तो इक्वेशन मिलता है. यू कैन फाइंड आउट. ग्रेटर स्मॉलर रहेगा तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा. ओके, हाँ ये देखो. अगेन रूट्स आर इक्वल. Roots are equal, right? And what is the equation? A minus 12x square plus 2 into a minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, comparing with what? किसे कंपेयर करेंगे?
ax square.
जनरल फॉर्म. लेकिन ए ऑलरेडी यूज किया है उन्होंने, तो हम लोगों को दूसरा लेटर यूज करना पड़ेगा. सो आई एम यूजिंग कैपिटल. हाँ, ताकि वो गिवन क्वेश्चन का ए फाइंड आउट करना तो कंफ्यूजन ना हो. तो ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाई आई हैव यूज्ड कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, टेल मी व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ ए. A minus 12. What is value of B? 2 into a minus 12. And C is how much?
2
is equal to 2. Okay, roots are real. So discriminant
0
is equal to 0. B square, B capital is
4x
is equal to 0. B means what?
2
2 into a minus 12 का whole square. minus 4 into a minus 12
into 2
into c is 2 is equal to 0. Square will be for both the brackets 4 into a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab. 2 into a into 12. 2 into a into 12. How much?
24a
24a.
Plus
plus
144.
ये तो बताओ इसको पढ़ गया मुंह में नहीं ना
plus 144
plus 144 and minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 into a minus 12 is equal to 0. Now open the bracket. This is 4a square minus 4 into 4 is 16. 96. 144 into 4.
So,
4 into 4 is 16.
576.
576. Minus a bracket
Minus
minus a
80
positive का
Plus
negative
96.
plus 96 is
Equals to
equal to
0.
4a square minus 96a minus 9a is
Minus
104.
100 and minus 104.
Minus 104a plus 576 plus 96. How much?
6, 7, 2.
12. 9, 1, 10, 17. 1 क्या is it? 672
हाँ.
is equal to 0. Each term is divisible by 4. So what I'll do is
dividing 4 on both sides.
okay, dividing equation. You are dividing both sides. You are dividing each term by 4. Dividing equation by 4. So what am I getting now? 4 से divide किया तो आ गया a square minus 4 into 2 is 8.
26.
26a. 4 into 1 is 4.
143.
4
143
5
is equal to 0. Okay? चलो अभी क्या करते हैं फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं कौन सा कलर यूज करो चलो रेड वाला यूज करो 143 पेंसिल यूज करना है इसके लिए 143
सर शायद 143 नहीं है.
नहीं ये रॉन्ग है 4 into 1 is 4
4 4 are
Remainder
16
is
168 होना चाहिए.
4 into 6 is 24 4 into 6 is 120 4 into 6 is 24 remainder is 3
168. हाँ.
तो 168 का फैक्टर्स 168 का और दो ग्रुप बनाते हैं राइट 168 2 into 8 is 16 2 into 4 2 into 4
42 20
21. 37.
7
7.
तो इसको एक ग्रुप में रखा 21 एंड इन तीनों को एक साथ रखा है 21 एंड 8 इज नॉट 26 करेक्ट ना तो ये ऑप्शन ये ट्रायल एंड एरर में कभी बहुत नहीं किया सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज ओके ये दोनों को साथ में रखेंगे 7 and 2 is 14 2 into 2 4 4 and 3 is 12 और है ना ऐड करेंगे तो 26 ओके सो आई थिंक क्या
Minus
26
दोनों को
चाहिए
minus.
और प्लस
minus
चाहिए
14
so minus 14 and minus 2 both minus both minus okay therefore coefficient 1 है can I take it directly a minus 14 a minus 12 is equal to 0 directly कब ले सकते हैं जब a square का coefficient क्या होगा 1 होगा 1 के अलावा 2 3 4 5 कुछ भी होगा don't take it directly okay therefore a minus 14 is equal to 0 or a minus 12 is equal to 0 therefore a is equal to 14 or a is equal to 12 दो आंसर but I don't think so दो आंसर होगा look here जब हम लोगों ने डेफिनेशन पढ़ा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 व्हाट वी से एक कंडीशन था कि a b c ये क्या होने चाहिए रियल नंबर होना चाहिए बराबर ना और दूसरा कंडीशन क्या a शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0 बराबर ना x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट जो है वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए सी यार a अगर 12 होगा a अगर 12 होगा तो ये क्या बनेगा 12 minus 12 0 which violates the definition of the quadratic equation तो 12 आंसर नहीं है वो मैं कैसे शो करूंगा ओके तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल राइट फॉर a is equal to 12 ओके ये LHS क्या बनेगा क्वेश्चन का LHS will become 12 minus 12x square plus 2 into 12 minus 12 into x plus 2 सिर्फ LHS लिया so this is 0x square plus 2 into 0 is 0x plus 2 0 multiplied by any number is 0 तो आंसर क्या मिला 2, बट RHS में तो 0 है, RHS में 0 है ना, ये देखो RHS में 0 है. Can I say LHS is not equal to RHS? Therefore A is not equal to
12.
So what is my answer? Answer में A का वैल्यू क्या हो?
14.
Okay, 14. So every time, so you have to be very alert, particularly इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में, where you have to find out the value of variable. दो आंसर होने का चांस कम है. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं होगा, शायद होगा भी. ओके, दोनों अगर 12 से बड़ा आता तो शायद हो भी जाता था, बट इन दिस केस सिंस वन ऑफ द वैल्यू वाज 12, तो ये इक्वेशन जो है x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट 0 बन रहा है, व्हिच वायलेट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो एक आंसर एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना है. रीजन इज LHS इज नॉट इक्वल टू RHS. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 14. हाँ,
फिर ऐसा नहीं लिख सकता डायरेक्टली कि अगर 12 हुआ तो वो वायलेट कर देगा रूल.
हाँ, वो लिखो ना, कुछ भी लिखो, कुछ भी लिखो. ओके, बट ये लिखकर आपको बताना ये आंसर नहीं. ओके, इफ यू राइट, अगर शॉर्टकट में लिखना, मैं क्या करता हूँ कि सबको समझ में आए ऐसा लिखना. ओके, अगर आपको डेफिनेशन नहीं पता तो ये मेथड से कर सकते हो. ओके, अदरवाइज यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट
If A
for
is equal to
A is equal to 12, coefficient of x square becomes 0,
and it
which does not obey, which violate the definition of a quadratic equation. Therefore A is not equal to 12. मैंने एक रीजन बताया, there can be 4-5 different reasons also. कोई भी एक बता. ओके, राइट. सो दिस वाज द आंसर. समझ में आया?
यस.
हो गया क्लियर? सो आई थिंक ये टाइप हो गया. फाइन. सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल कॉपी डाउन दिस 3 क्वेश्चंस, और इसके बाद हम लोग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप करते हैं. ये किया ना?
हाँ.